Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Waves. I'm Anna. Last Saturday, I went shopping. I was so excited, but when I walked into the store, the salesperson asked me, "Are you finding everything okay?" And I just froze. My mind went blank. What should I say? Then she asked, "What size are you looking for?" And I didn't know how to say my size in English. I ended up just smiling and nodding like this. Not helpful at all. That's when I realized shopping vocabulary is essential. Whether you're buying clothes, groceries, electronics, or anything else, you need to know the right words. From asking for help to trying things on, to paying at the checkout, every part of shopping needs specific English vocabulary. Today, we're learning everything you need to shop confidently in English. No more awkward nodding. And to help me today, my co-host Ben is here. Ben, do you like shopping?
I love shopping, especially for gadgets and clothes.
Perfect. You can help me teach everyone.
Today, we'll cover shopping at grocery stores, clothing stores, electronic stores, and online.
By the end, you'll be a confident shopper.
Let's go shopping!
Here we go. Let's start with general shopping vocabulary that works in any store.
First, how do we talk about stores?
Store, shop, mall, shopping center, supermarket, department store, boutique.
Store and shop mean the same thing. Mall has many stores inside.
Department store is a big store with many sections: clothes, home goods, cosmetics.
Boutique is a small, fancy shop.
Now, common questions. Salespeople ask,
Can I help you? Are you finding everything okay? Let me know if you need anything.
"Is there something specific you're looking for? Would you like to try that on?"
How do we respond?
"I'm just looking, thanks." "I'm just browsing." "No, thanks, I'm fine."
Yes, I'm looking for. Actually, I need help finding. Where can I find?
If you need help, say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for." "Do you have?"
What about asking for specific items?
"Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in another color? Do you carry?"
Is this available in? Can I see that one? Where are the...
"Do you carry" means do you sell or have this product?
Very useful. What about asking prices?
"How much is this?" "What's the price?" "Is this on sale?"
Do you have a discount? Is there a promotion? How much does this cost?
These basic phrases work everywhere.
Now let's focus on grocery shopping, the supermarket.
This is where we buy food and household items.
First, what are the different sections in a supermarket?
Produce section, meat section, dairy section, frozen foods, bakery, deli.
Produce section has fresh fruits and vegetables.
Deli has prepared meats, cheeses, and sometimes hot food.
More sections. Canned goods, snacks, beverages, cleaning supplies.
In American English, we say aisle, the space between shelves.
Excuse me, where is the cereal?
It's in aisle 5. Now, useful grocery shopping phrases.
Where can I find the milk? Is this organic? When does this expire?
How fresh is this? Do you have any ripe avocados? Can I get half a pound of turkey?
At the deli, you order by weight. A pound of ham, half a pound of cheese.
Can you slice it thin or thick? I'd like it sliced, please.
What about the checkout?
The cashier says, Did you find everything okay? Paper or plastic? Do you have a rewards card?
Yes, thanks. Plastic, please. No, I don't have one.
Cash or card? Would you like the receipt? Have a nice day.
Card, please. Yes, please. You too.
More useful terms.
Shopping cart, shopping basket, grocery bag, receipt, coupon.
Cart for big shopping. Basket for small shopping. Coupon gives you a discount.
BOGO means buy one, get one. Special sale.
Rain check means you can get the sale price later if the item is sold out. Now let's shop for clothes. This is my favorite.
Mine too. Let's start with sizes.
Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large.
For shoes, we use numbers. US sizes are different from European sizes.
What size are you? I'm a size small. I wear size 8 shoes.
What do we say when trying on clothes?
Can I try this on? Where are the fitting rooms? Do you have this in a medium?
The fitting rooms are in the back. How did it fit? How does it look?
It fits perfectly. It's too tight. It's too loose. It's too big. Small.
Do you have this in a bigger or smaller size? Can I try a different size?
Describing what you're looking for.
I'm looking for a blue shirt. Do you have this in black? I need formal pants.
I'm looking for something casual. Do you have this style in a different color?
Different types of clothing stores.
Clothing store, shoe store, accessory shop, thrift store, outlet store.
Thrift store sells used clothes, usually cheap. Outlet store has discounted brand items.
Common clothing vocabulary.
Shirt, pants, dress, skirt, jeans, jacket, coat, sweater, shoes, boots.
T-shirt, blouse, suit, tie, socks, underwear, pajamas, swimsuit.
Outfit means a complete set of clothes. I love your outfit.
Words for style and fit.
Casual, formal, tight, loose, fitted, oversized, vintage, trendy.
This is too tight around the waist. I prefer loose-fitting shirts.
I love vintage clothing.
Now, let's talk about returns and exchanges. What if something doesn't work?
This is important vocabulary. You need to know your rights.
Return means bring it back and get your money back.
Exchange means swap it for a different size or color.
I'd like to return this, please. Can I exchange this for a different size?
Do you have your receipt? What's the reason for the return?
It doesn't fit. It's damaged. I changed my mind. I found a defect.
Defect means something is broken or wrong with the product.
What's the store's return policy?
What's your return policy? How many days do I have to return this? Do I need the receipt?
You have 30 days to return it. We need the original receipt. It must have the tags attached.
Tags are the price labels on clothes.
Now, payment vocabulary.
Cash, credit card, debit card, check, mobile payment, contactless.
I'll pay with cash. Can I use my card? Do you accept mobile payments?
Cash or card. Insert your card. Tap here for contactless. Sign here, please.
Swipe your card. Enter your PIN. Would you like a receipt?
Sales and discounts vocabulary.
Sale, discount, markdown, clearance, promotion, coupon, promo code.
Sale means lower prices. Clearance means they're getting rid of items very cheap.
Markdown means price reduction. 20% off.
half price. Buy one, get one free.
Is this on sale? How much is the discount? Can I use this coupon?
Everyone loves a good sale.
Now, let's talk about online shopping. This is huge nowadays.
More and more people shop online.
Website, online store, e-commerce, shopping cart, checkout, account.
Your shopping cart holds items before you buy them.
Add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout.
At checkout, you need to enter information.
Shipping address, billing address, payment method, credit card details.
Shipping address is where they send the product. Billing address is for your credit card.
Shipping vocabulary.
Standard shipping, express shipping, free shipping, delivery, tracking number.
Standard shipping takes longer but costs less. Express shipping is fast but expensive.
How much is shipping? When will it arrive? What's my tracking number?
Track your order means check where your package is.
Online shopping advantages and issues.
Convenient, fast, compare prices easily, reviews from other customers.
Can't try it on. Shipping costs. Waiting time. Potential for scams.
Reviews are comments from people who bought the item.
Read the reviews before buying. This has 5-star reviews.
Common online shopping phrases.
Apply coupon code. Create an account. Save to wish list. Subscribe for updates.
Out of stock means they don't have any right now. Pre-order means buy before it's released.
Flash sale means a very short sale, usually a few hours.
Prime shipping is Amazon's fast, free shipping for members.
Subscribe and save means regular deliveries at a discount.
Always check estimated delivery date, return policy, customer service contact. What a shopping spree of vocabulary today!
We covered everything from grocery stores to online shopping.
General shopping phrases, grocery vocabulary, clothing terms, returns and payment, and online shopping.
From "Can I help you?" to "Apply coupon code."
Your homework this week? Go shopping in English.
It can be at a real store or online. Use at least 3 phrases we taught today.
Say, how much is this? Or, do you have this in a different size? Or, I'm just browsing.
Practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they become.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Salespeople want to help you.
They deal with people learning English all the time.
And if all else fails, you can always point and smile.
But now you know the words, so you don't have to.
Thank you so much for shopping with us today.
If this episode was helpful, please share it with friends who want to improve their shopping English.
And subscribe. Next week, we'll talk about health and medical vocabulary.
Important topic for everyone.
Until then, happy shopping!
Find great deals.
And practice your English while you shop.
You've got this.
Shop smart, speak English.
See you next week.
Keep shopping and learning. Goodbye.